Electricity, from atoms to volts. Electricity, a miraculous natural phenomenon. But how is it actually created? Let's explore the basics. Any material, like this metal coin, is made up of atoms. An atom has a positive nucleus surrounded by negative electrons. Specifically for conductors, such as copper for example, atoms have valence electrons. These can be detached from the nucleus. Like this, the valence electron is attracted to the nucleus by 1 electrovolt, but when it is detached, it wants to return to the nucleus with that same force. This phenomenon causes an electron flow with billions of electrons. Many detached electrons pulled to one side create a huge electrical attraction. This collective attraction of electrons to nuclei is called volt. An atom without an electron is called an ion. In summary, electrons are negatively charged, and atoms without an electron are positively charged. So, it's all about the free electrons that, like water flowing through a conductor, are easily released in copper. And this is the essence of electricity.